Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I have another box here from Jomar, and this is makeup, so milk makeup. This is probably going to be my last Jomar box for a while, just because I've got so much inventory right now, and you know, with my wedding coming up, I've got to start winding this kind of stuff down, and just quite frankly, I like thrifting a lot better, I'm finding. So let's open this up. This is small, tiny package, but it should have some good stuff in here. I did order a milk makeup box from Jomar a few months ago, which I will be doing a recap video to show you guys what sold out of there. But I posted it on Depop first, and like a lot of it sold really quickly on Depop. And then I still have some of it, but I wanted to get another one just to see if I could get the same results again. So the other one I got was like miscellaneous makeup, I think, and I ordered this a while ago now. It's kind of been sitting here, but I think this is all milk makeup. All right, so we can see it is a bunch of makeup in here. And actually it looks like, I can tell you right away, a lot of these are the same color, which might not be a bad thing. You know, it's easier to do multi-quantity listings on eBay and Poshmark. I don't know about Depop. I'm still really new at Depop, but I ended up getting a good deal on this box, and that's Jomar. I swear that's how they get you. You're like, no, cost of goods is too high. And then they send you an email like, buy this and get this free or whatever. And you know, that's how they get me. So this was 30 eye products and assorted pieces and 30 lip products assorted pieces. So I'm expecting this to be a 60-piece box. And let's see. So altogether it was $105. So it was buy one, get one free. So it was $105 for all 60 items, plus shipping of $27.80. So $132.80 for 60 pieces. So that's what, a little over $2 a piece. So I'm hoping there's some good profit involved with this. So, all right, let's take a look. Okay, so I can tell you just right off the bat, a lot of these are the same product, like multi-duplicates of the same color or the same shade, which is okay because that makes it very easy to do a multi-quantity listing on like eBay or Poshmark. So that's okay. So let's see. This is Lip Vinyl from Milk Makeup. The color is Chillin'. I actually kind of like that color. This is Lip Marker in the color Turnt, which I don't know how, that's like orange. I hope this is a good color because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Turnt. 5 Turnt. Is there more? 6. Let's hope this is a good color. I have a feeling it's not. That's why it's in this box. So there's 6 of those. More lip color. This is Low Key is the color. It's like a mauve, but what is this? It's just lip color. Low Key, Low Key. There's a bunch of these different colors. So I've got a bunch of various colors here. I've got Dip Out, New Whip. That's Dip Out again. Low Key, New Whip. Extra. And these are like little lipsticks. I mean, it's in a funky container. Okay, so I can see like this one, I don't know if you can see that, but like the lipstick is all the way, it somehow got like, and these are sealed too, so I can't, can I take it out? I don't want to like open it and then it's used, but like I can see that the lipstick is kind of twisted all the way up and smashed into the top. See? Yeah, so that's like completely stuck in there. I wouldn't sell that. Unfortunately, I'll have to really kind of look at these and make sure that hasn't happened to more. That's kind of a bummer though. Like that one, you can see the top is kind of flattened. So that's not cool. You know, anytime, and I will say this, anytime with liquidation, you're going to get items that you just can't sell. And this is liquidation. It's new, but it's liquidation. It's wholesale, not wholesale. It's, you know, Jomar is like a secondhand deal. So, it's disappointing because, you know, you're told that I'll be new, but you know, it is what it is. You have to expect a certain percentage. You know, for me, I guess 10%, 15%. If that's really like, you know, just a couple pieces that are not really sellable, I'll be okay. Anyway, so this is holographic lip gloss, Supernova. I had the last box I got, and you'll see when I do the recap video, there was some kind of like holographic something. I don't know. People were like fighting over it. Then I sold it full price like right away. And there's the third one. And I was like, oh, should I have priced that higher? Like it was kind of weird. More chillin'. So that's this. I've got them all like stacked up here in front of me by color. And then there's these little lip tubes. So these are both the color Gnarly. 3 Gnarlies. And another Low Key and another Dip Out. So I think that's all the lip stuff. And then there's this button thing. I don't know what this is. It's like a pin or a button and some stickers. But if I open it, then it won't be new. So I'm not going to. I'll have to research to find out what that is. So I think that's nice of them, I guess, to put it all together. Let's see how many. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 25, 6, 28. 28 plus this button, and it's supposed to be 30 pieces. All right, well, we'll see. Maybe there's more lip stuff. Oh, here's 29. 29. It's another new whip. This is why I don't sell makeup. It's so tiny. Same with jewelry. Like makeup and jewelry, I'm not really into because they're so small and tiny. But I'm actually excited about this, like I said, because all the multi-quantities. So I'm expecting the other half of this box to be eyes. So this was 30 pieces of lips, 30 pieces of eyes. Hopefully that's what's in here. So eye marker, you know, actually this is Black Sheep eye marker. So it's like a liquid eyeliner. I still have some of this from the last palette that hasn't sold. So let's see how much of this is in there. Okay, more eye marker. This is Peep Show Eye Pigment. The color is Peep Show. Gosh, some of this stuff, it's like, I don't know. I'm so basic with my makeup. Like I use the same makeup. Like I don't really go crazy like experimenting with makeup and stuff. And part of me is like, oh, I would love to try this. And then another part of me is like, for what? You're going to use it once, not be able to sell it, and then you're never going to use it again anyway. So this is Shadowliner Moonlighter. So that's cool. I don't know if you can see, it's like a eyeliner stick. You probably take it across your eyes long ways. All right, what else is in here? Eye Pigment, Silent Disco. It's a mini. Light Trail is Eye Vinyl. So this is like a shimmery iridescent. This is eyeliner. This is, it says Working Girl, but it's black, just like a solid black. It's another eye vinyl. This one, there we go. Hopefully that's never been used. It doesn't look used, but never been opened, I mean. Silent Disco, another mini one. This is, what is this? Tattoo stamp. Oh, okay. So it's a little yin yang sign on it. And if you just like, you could put the stamp like on your face, I guess. So if you just press it, it's like a tattoo stamp, but it's really tiny. All right. Here's another one. This one's a peace sign. So now that like you can see, when I got this first box a few months ago, I put it all on Depop, and like this stuff totally just screams Depop. I never list anything on Depop like first, and all the makeup went on Depop first. So I think I'm going to do the same thing with this. So there's more of these, the tattoo stamps, another mini, more Black Sheep eye marker, more, this is the eye pigment. This is a different color, Rager, so it's like silver. I bet you this metallic or iridescent stuff sells really fast. Eyeliner, Working Girl, that's the black. This is the iridescent eye. These are all multiples of stuff I already showed you. These are Trust Fund, the Shadowliner. Oh, that's like a pinkish orangey, but it's like a liner. More Working Girl. More iridescent. These are all duplicates of stuff I already showed you. Peep Show. I think this is the color, whoops. Peep Show was the color of that other thing that sold really fast. It wasn't the same thing, it was just the same color. Trust Fund again, the eyeshadow. And then there's two, one more of these. Maybe I'll try, I don't know. This is kind of dark. I'm like, maybe I'll try one, but you know. And then these are eyelash curlers. Can you see? It's hard to see. I'm not going to open them because they're sealed, so that would make them not new. But eyelash curlers, and then there's stickers in here. And these are tweezers with stickers. So let's see how many eye items I've got. Okay, so there was a total of 32 eye pieces, which is good, I guess, because there was only a total of 29 lip pieces. It was supposed to be 30 and 30. I'm not going to complain. That would seriously be splitting hairs. Plus, I got this box like 6 weeks ago and I'm just not opening it. So if I were to try to complain to Jomar, they'd be like, why did it take you 6 weeks to open that in the first place? So yeah, I'm excited to list this stuff. Like I said earlier, the duplicates of the same thing. Some people would maybe not be happy with that, but I really am, because like I said, it's super easy to do a multi-quantity listing. It's going to save me a lot of time. So yeah, I'm going to get this stuff listed. I will do a recap video to show you guys after 90 days what sold. It's hard to say if this is a good box. I don't know, because I don't know that much about makeup, and I don't know what's going to happen here. So we'll have to wait the 90 days. If it was a good box, it will have tripled my money in 90 days. The last one, spoiler alert, I haven't done the recap video yet. I'll probably do that today, but it came pretty close, I think. So I'm looking for a total profit of about $350, or a total of $350 in sales. To triple my money. So stay tuned for the recaps. If you want to check out what came in my first Milk Makeup video, I'll link it here. If you want to see the recap on this one or any other unboxing, thrift hauls, what sold videos, seriously, subscribe to my channel or consider it. I would love to have you, check out my reseller journey. Also follow me on Instagram. And comment below, have you ever sold milk makeup? Has it worked for you? Or is there a specific makeup brand that does sell well for you? I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm super new at selling makeup. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.